Hey, what's up guys, it's Philip from Easy Unreal, and today we have a clear winner in our Fab Marketplace limited time free assets. Don't skip this, because we have this in the middle. I will show advanced phone system is absolutely crazy. I will just run through this platformer 800 world low poly 3D model specs, super awesome. I'm not a fan of I like stylized game, but not the assets. I don't work with them, so I don't know if you like this. Looking pretty good. We have this phone system. I will cover this right now because it deserves special attention. We have medieval model of wall pack kit bash collection. Just a standard set of walls, very useful, just plug and play in Unreal. And now we have this advanced phone system V3 replicated. I just want to express my gratitude to Samet Store, because check this out. You're familiar with the phone system from GTA games. You can see we have NPC Dialogue system, we have security camera system, everything is integrated, minimap, node-based dialogue system for NPC call, bank login system, shopping app, I don't know, we have note app, you have music player, player registration screen, and absolutely crazy is this multiplayer video chat. I think this can be super useful for some, some bizarre games, and you can see. And if you want to learn more, you can see all these feature gallery: flashlight, music player, minimap, bank, market, browser, camera, lock system, registration, multiplayer, control screen, message with NPC, sending photo to NPC, or seeing photo, video calling, voice calling with NPC. And I will now stop. NPC dialogue, NPC taking and sending photo, only 15 blueprints. Absolutely gorgeous piece of asset. Don't forget to download it. You'll be sorry in the future. You can always check out the channel for some Unreal Engine 5 tutorials if you are making your game, and see you in the next one.